Section 6 of Birds, Volume 1, Number 3, March, 1897. Recorded for LibriVox.org by A&B Suite 13. The Thrush's Nest. Within a thick and spreading hawthorn bush that overhung a molehill, large and round, I heard from morn to morn a merry thrush sing hymns of rapture while I drank the sound with joy, and oft an unintruding guest. I watched her secret toils from day to day, how true she warped the moss to form her nest, and moulded it within with wood and clay. And by, with heath bells gilt with dew, there lay her shining eggs as bright as flowers, ink spotted over, shells of green and blue. And there I witnessed, in the summer hours, a brood of nature's minstrels chirp and fly, glad as the sunshine and the laughing sky. End of section 6. This recording is in the public domain.